Gallant Equipment Private Limited, a India-based company established in 1997 with over 1 lakh square feet of manufacturing infrastructure in Kolkata, is equipped with all related machinery with most of standard testing facility in-house. We are engaged in manufacturing of all type of powder coating, spray painting, fusion bond epoxy, pre-treatment, CED, electroplating plant and CNC fiber laser cutting machines on turnkey basis. We have a good team of skilled technicians and service engineers to give excellent equipment with prompt after-sales service to our customer. Our success voyage has been consistent and has gained momentum over the years. Our belief that needs expand and diversify with time guides us to keep pace with change. We are constantly innovating to adapt to the changing times, guided by international advanced technology for different industries. We have now stepped into manufacturing of CNC optic fiber laser cutting machine from last 7 years, which use the newest fiber laser source. We are very glad to our management for having experience of more than 30 years in manufacturing industries and help us to provide excellent technical support during our R&D session. Thereby channelizing our resources in production, marketing and distribution. Likewise, continuous quality improvement is a commitment toward the goals of satisfying our service receivers, providing more involvement and opportunities for employees, and delivering services with speed, accuracy, low cost, reliability, flexibility, understanding and personal attention.